Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I ordered a couple days ago a new coffee pot. I wanted a percolator coffee pot, the old-fashioned style that goes on the fire, not electric. So it came in today, so we'll open it up and see what we got.
How long you been wanting that stuff?
I've been wanting it for a long time, but we've been waiting to kind of see. The price went down on it, so that's why I ordered it.
Okay, let's see what is it, huh? I think that's a nice one for brewed coffee. That's good for brewed coffee, huh?
They packed this thing good.
It's a lot of boxes. Wow. Wow, this is 12 cups, right?
Huh?
This is 12 cups?
12 cups, yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that is
old-fashioned percolator pot.
Oh, that's cool.
For coffee.
Stainless. It's I think the brand on this one is Chef Classic.
Yeah. So
Oh, look at this, very
put
pretty.
your coffee grounds in there and put this on and
Oh yeah. Let's try
fill it up
this.
with water and
Let's try this.
damn, percolator
Okay.
pot of coffee.
This is the
Nice,
ano guys.
very nice and heavy
Ang ganda ng handle niya, oh. Wow, very heavy nga. Wow.
Brew some of your coffee that Brother Stanley and them give you.
Oh yeah.
Dunkin' coffee.
Let's try this. We have a Dunkin' Donut. Dunkin' coffee.
Dunkin' coffee.
Okay, let's try this one, guys. Let's see how it works. This is gonna be my first time, but you've been using this one for...
All my family has used one of these for years.
Wow. Looks nice, guys. Oh.
First cup of coffee I ever had.
So instead of buying the coffee maker, you buy this one. This is a different style of doing your brewed coffee.
You can put this on a campfire. You can do this on a cook
yeah.
stove. You can, to the
Yeah,
bottom
we
of
got
the
the
spout.
water already inside, guys.
And then the coffee grounds.
So we're using the Dunkin' Donuts coffee grounds. The brewed coffee. Thank you for Stanley and Jillian for giving us the Dunkin' Donuts coffee, guys.
And then you just let it boil till it percolates to the top here. You'll see it bubble up. And then when it starts bubbling, it's about 3 minutes that you boil it. And I don't know, these, we always use the pot holder because even though it has wood handles, the little brass and the sides are hot. So you can get, but you just use a pot holder.
See that, guys? The bubbles and the lid. So it means this is almost done?
7 minutes from now.
7 minutes. Ganyan pala yan. So we're making mango float, guys. So we're slicing right now for the mango. Gusto ko thin slice like that. Ayan. Oh, maguba ang shape. This is all done, guys. We're gonna transfer this one in a mug. Is that the one you put inside and then it comes out on the top?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really?
All the way from the bottom up.
Alright.
So.
Okay, Charles, remove this. What do you call this one?
And it's the basket and percolator tube.
Yeah, and then the I know it's in here inside. It's a little bit hot, but yeah, that's the coffee. And then the pot is there. So he's ready to put in here now. Right, so he's gonna put the sugar. Brown sugar. He's gonna be using brown sugar. Half tablespoon of sugar. So let's see.
That's good coffee. Dunkin' Donut coffee. That's good, strong coffee.
Let me taste it. What can you say about your new pot?
Well, it turns out it makes a very good pot of coffee. The longer you brew it, the darker your coffee will get, the stronger. We brewed about 10 minutes, and that's about the strength I like it. But if you brew it about 15 minutes, it'll be darker, stronger, but it brews a nice pot of coffee.
So what you're gonna say with them if they're interested to buy it?
But it's on Lazada, and the name brand is what again?
Chef Classic.
Chef Classic. And that's the
12 cups.
12 cup pot, stainless steel. And
What's the name again?
Chef Classic.
No, the name of that pot.
That's called a percolator coffee pot.
Yeah, the brand is the Chef Classic.
Yeah, brand is Chef Classic and percolator coffee pot. And when you type in percolator coffee pot, it'll bring up both the electric and the stove type. So you just
So they have electric as well.
Yeah.
But I do prefer this one. I like it better because it's stainless steel and got a big pot for 12 people to drink. If just only drink 1 cup.
And you can still have coffee in a brownout.
Yeah, true. We're making the mango float, guys. We bought 2 kilos of this one, but we did not consume all of it. I think we only consume 1 kilo. And then the tub of grahams, I think that one is only 100 something. And then 1.5 of condensed milk. And then 2 all-purpose cream of Alaska. Yun lang yung ating mga ingredients. And then this one is optional. If you want to put this one on the top to make it more prettier look, then go ahead and put it. But then if you don't have any budget at all to put this one, just leave it that way. So 7 layers kami, guys. Tapos nilagay ko na yung aming crushed grahams para maganda siya. Tapos kabilang side. So yun na yung ating mango float na mayroong crushed graham sa taas. Oh, look at yung layer niya, oh. Ganda, di ba? So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something new. This is a common food in the Philippines, but of course this is the way we do our mango float. So I hope you learned something. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye everybody. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So freezer ko na lang siya nilagay, guys, kasi wala nang space yung baba namin. So dito na lang namin siya nilagay. There you go.